The surge in popularity of electric bikes is undeniable, driven by the newfound convenience and joy they bring to riders. However, for petite individuals, the quest for the ideal e-bike has presented its own set of hurdles. But fear not, for a range of outstanding solutions tailored to the needs of shorter riders now grace the market. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric bikes for small riders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Discover the Lectric XP 3.0 at number 5, the latest marvel in our e-bike lineup tailor-made for shorter riders. Building upon the triumphs of its predecessor, the XP 3.0 redefines the e-bike experience with a dash of adventure. Revamped and recharged, it's a ride beyond compare. Noteworthy enhancements? Absolutely! Brace yourself for a smoother, quieter journey thanks to the enhanced motor, now boasting a robust 1,000 watts peak rear hub motor with a torque of 55 Nm. The game changer? Swift, precise stops powered by front and rear hydraulic disc brakes featuring 180mm rotors. The battery choices are no less impressive. Opt for the 48V lithium-ion battery in standard or long-range editions, granting you an impressive single-charge range of 45 miles or an astonishing 65 miles, respectively. The cherry on top, the cutting-edge Lectric PWR technology ensures seamless power delivery and amplifying efficiency and range. But the XP 3.0's allure doesn't stop there. Compatible with cool add-ons like the YEP seat and passenger package, accommodating riders up to 150 pounds. Ready to seize your next escapade? Elevate your ride with the Lectric XP 3.0, yours for just $999. Adventure awaits. Introducing the juiced Ripracer. Ignite your off-road excitement with this sensational e-bike tailored for shorter riders. Seizing the 4th spot on our list, it combines remarkable performance and affordability to transform your outdoor escapades. Dive into exhilaration aboard the juiced Ripracer, an off-road marvel that shatters norms. Unveiling a jaw-dropping blend of power and value, this beast reshapes your trail encounters without breaking the bank. Boasting a sturdy 40.3-inch wheelbase and 20-inch wheels, it's engineered to dominate rough terrains, although its lacking shock absorbers might make the ride slightly rugged in comparison to peers. Hold tight, because the Ripracer packs a punch. Unanticipated zest and remarkable low-end torque propel you uphill with ease. Its BMX-style construction not only exudes maneuverability, but also simplifies navigating narrow pathways. Fueled by an 800 Ah battery and a 1,300 watts peak and 750 watts sustained rear hub motor, this e-bike promises an impressive 55-mile range and a thrilling 28 miles per hour top assist speed. Ready for an electrifying off-road odyssey? Embrace the juiced Ripracer, priced at just $999, and launch into boundless adventures. Presenting the Heybike Ranger, your go-to foldable electric bike for versatile rides. Ranked at number 3, this bike caters to short riders, offering a seamless blend of innovation and adaptability. Zoom through your journeys with a potent 500 watts motor and a detachable 48 V15 Ah battery. Achieve speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and explore up to 48 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for your daily commutes, rugged off-road escapades, or leisurely spins around town. Conquer all terrains effortlessly with its standout features. Rugged 4-inch fat tires and shock absorbers, ensuring a steady and comfortable ride over city streets, trails, snow, and even sand. Designed with your convenience in mind, the Heybike Ranger boasts a foldable step-through frame that suits riders of various sizes. Easily store and transport your ride while adjusting the stem and seat for a personalized fit. The dual suspension system guarantees a smooth experience by minimizing vibrations and shocks. Elevate your riding adventures with the Heybike Ranger, starting at just $999. Embrace the perfect blend of style, functionality, and affordability tailored to short riders seeking limitless exploration. Meet the RadExpand 4 electric folding bike, your ideal companion for urban adventures. Ranking at number 2, this bike is tailor-made for short female riders seeking both style and functionality. Crafted with a feather-light, step-through frame, mounting and dismounting becomes effortless, ensuring a seamless ride. Personalize your cycling experience with the adjustable riser bar, ensuring a snug fit that matches your preferences. Navigate diverse landscapes with finesse thanks to the 7-speed versatility and 4 levels of pedal assist. Conquer inclines and explore cityscapes with the robust 750 watts hub motor, while the 672 watt-hour battery empowers you with an impressive 45-mile range. Maximize convenience with its foldable design, a boon for space-conscious riders. Effortlessly collapse the bike using the custom folding mechanism, simplifying storage and transportation. Stay visible with integrated LED lights and reflective strips, ensuring safety day and night. Discover the joy of riding anew with the RadExpand 5, where power, adaptability, and style converge. Prices start from an affordable $1,399. Say hello to the Heybike Cityscape electric bike, a game-changer in urban commuting. Securing the top spot on our list, this e-bike is a dream come true for shorter riders seeking seamless travel. Unleash your wanderlust with its impressive features. The potent 350 watts motor partners with a high-capacity battery, delivering an exceptional 40-mile range per charge with pedal assist. Surpassing at 19 miles per hour, it outpaces most e-bikes, adding thrill to your ride. Designed for easy access, the step-through frame welcomes riders of all sizes. If you're 5 feet or under, this is your golden ticket to effortless mounting. Paired with puncture-resistant 26-inch tires and a responsive 7-speed Shimano system, the Cityscape guarantees silky smooth rides. Tackling rough terrains, dual shock absorbers have your back. Illuminate your path with integrated lights and conquer errands with the rear cargo rack. However, note that the seat's hardness might irk some riders. Address this with a plush replacement for cloud-like comfort. Assembling the Heybike might puzzle you a bit due to the manual's vagueness, but fear not, it's mostly pre-assembled for your ease. Just remember, e-bikes carry more weight than traditional ones. Kickstart your daily adventure with the Heybike Cityscape from just $649. Elevate your commute, own the Cityscape. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.